We are going sa Danica's, the BMW black. Na black. Na ano, mag-exam si Danica for, ang tawag doon, driver's permit. Oh my gosh. See. Galing ni Ate Danica.
Nakapasa sa she passed the exam.
She passed the exam. Very quick. Ilang minutes lang eh. 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Wow, my God. Ate Danica, is it
Because she wants to go to California. That's why she wants to learn how to drive.
We will go to
How was
the
the
mall
exam?
na.
Oh, it was pretty easy.
Ay, nako, very easy talaga.
I had I think 2 mistakes.
2 mistakes.
Wow, ako I have 7.
So you know how many mistakes you had.
Yeah, it says whichever one I got incorrect or correct.
So
Wow.
only 2. What's the mistake? What's the question?
I think one was about the right of way with the yielding.
Oh
I
no.
was like, I mistook it. I understand now.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
And what's the other one?
I don't know if I can remember.
Okay. Oh, were you nervous?
I mean, not really.
Not really.
Since I saw a lot of the questions I recognized.
Oh, okay.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Daddy will teach you how to drive, not me, okay? You don't want me to. Oh, ayan na. Sa Pilipinas, in the Philippines is the same, no? Diba?
Ha?
In the Philippines is the same.
The same, yeah.
LTO and then yung tawag dito, yung driver's permit, no?
Yeah. And then actual.
Ilang taon bago ako kumuha ng exam dito? When I came here, I did not take the exam right away. I think we were in Virginia. Nasa Virginia kami, tapos si Phil ang nagsama sa akin sa DMV. Tapos tinuruan niya ako, your dad taught me how to drive. And then he got upset because I did not stop on the stop sign. I boom, because there's no police. So I was like, boom. He got upset. Said, even there's no police, you have to stop. It's like, this is Philippine style. There's no police, you can go. Ikaw ilang
Matagal.
matagal. Pero but I did not, then when we moved to California, I did not yeah, in California that's when I sorry, don't do that, okay? In California, puputulin ko lang. Sa California, sa DMV, parang nung buntis na ako kay baby, saka ako nag-exam.
Oo nga. Buntis mo,
tapos,
manganganak ka na yata.
kay baby. Tapos lagi lang kami nagbabas ni Danica.
Naiwan niyo pa yung bag.
Anong bag?
Yung bag dun sa may bus stop, bus station.
Danica, you remember that? We left the bag?
Yeah,
in the
Danica's
bus
bag
station?
in the bus.
Really?
In front of Walgreens.
Huh?
Yeah.
Really?
And then bumalik kayo.
No!
Doon pa rin yung bag.
Oh, nakalimot. Do you remember that, Danica? Ha?
No?
You didn't remember that anymore? Oh.
Paano mo nalaman?
Tinawag niyo ako eh.
Oh.
Kaming dalawa ni Jess.
Oh. Talaga? Oh, that's weird. I don't
Kasi
remember
nagbabas lang kayo eh. Tapos naiwanan niyo yung... Tapos sumakay ulit kayo ng bus pabalik. Tapos nandoon pa din yung bag. Yun. Nagpunta kami ni Jess kasi si Jess nagda-drive na nun.
Oh, may sasakyan siya nun eh. Ang sasakyan niya yung bigay pa ni Tita
Acura.
Judy.
Oo, yung Acura.
Oh. That's so weird. Hindi ko na maalaala.
I mean, I used to forget a lot of things.
Oh my God. Oh my Lord. Do you remember, Danica, when we were in the bus and then there was a lady? Like pee on the bus?
I remember.
Oo, bago lang kami dito noon.
Turn right at the end of the road on
Bago lang kami dito nun sa bago lang kami nun sa California.
Sa bus.
Oo, umihi
Oo,
yung
kasi
babae
minsan-
sa harap namin. Danica.
Mayroon pang mabaho eh.
Oh, yung
Iba yung mabaho.
Tony biglang nagpakita.
Alin ito?
Oo.
Ito.
Yes.
So, meron ka ng 1, 2.
Ito yung tatlo kasi 6 talaga yan. Ito bigla na lang sumibol nung isang araw. Mataas na siya nung nakita ko. Hindi man lang. Ay, naku, yung pusa baka umano. Tapos ito guys. Open na yung pool. Pwede nang mag-pool si bibi ko. Tingnan nyo to oh. Oh my goodness. Ayan oh. Nagbulaklak na rin siya pala dito. Hindi ko alam. Siguro may sakit tong halaman na to. Pero nagbulaklak siya. Oh, ang ganda. Oh my goodness. Tapos yung sa likod, bisitahin niya natin yung I don't know how to pronounce it, guys. Hindi ko alam paano i-pronounce yung hydrogenia. Basta nung lumipat kami dito, yung nabili namin yung bahay. Meron na siyang meron na mga bulaklak. Ayan oh, ito nga, lumaki na naman siya oh. Aray ko. Oh my God. Dapat to tatagi. Ayun, ako, ang dami. Ang dami. OMG. Maybe sa weekend, sabihin ko kay Phil, putulin namin. Kuha ako ng konti. Lagay namin sa magandang vase. I like flowers, guys. Ayan, tingnan nyo. Bango-bango niyan. Kaya pagbaba mo ng sasakyan, nakikita mo yung, naamoy mo na yung mga bulaklak. Bango. Bango nito, ang bango. Ang bango. Ang bango-bango. Anyway, guys, nakapasa si Danica sa exam. No. Over there. Like there's flowers. Over there. Yeah. I don't know. But there's another.
Oh, it's not so delicious.
This one. Delicious. This one. But I want the to get the flowers on the side. Babe. I want the flower on the side. The hydrogenia.
Oh, okay.
I want to cut them. Can we
Yeah.
cut them? Or
Mhm,
they're gonna die if I cut them? It's
I
gonna,
don't
the
know.
plant will be
I
upset.
don't know. I mean, we could try
It's
it.
a lot.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
It's a lot?
Not a lot, but it's nice. This may calamansi. Wait, she took her driver's license today.
Did she all pass?
Yeah, she passed.
Of course.
She passed.
Only 2 minutes.
Only 2 minutes.
Mali ah. Ito ng bata.
Hindi na kanya mag-drive. Tuturuan ni Phil mag-drive. Medyo makakagaan din pag halimbawa wala akong pasok, tapos may pasok siya. I-drive niya sa no? Siya na mag-drive papunta sa school, ganyan. Hindi na hatid ni Phil. So, galing kami ng Trader Joe's. Say hello. So, ito yung mga napamili namin. I was trying to buy Dubai style chocolate, but wala na daw sila. So, mag-unpack tayo ng mga groceries. Ayan. Anong ginagawa mo, ma?
Gaano kadami tubig?
Sakto lang sa pag
Half.
half lang, ganyan.
Tapos puputulan to?
Oo, puputulan. What's the matter, baby? You hungry?
Yes.
What do you want to eat?
A Panda Express.
Panda Express? Okay. I'll do Panda Express.
Okay. Is that the mic?
Yes. I think it's connected to the other one. Oh, it's connected sa ano.
Tapos lalagyan ito, yung tubig.
Aha. $1 yung flour, guys. $10 yung flour. Ay, so tanggalin natin yung ano. Ang ganda, ano, ayan, oh. Diba?
Tapos lagyan ito.
Lahat.
Sa tu-
Even though, diba kanina pagpunta natin, nag-uunahan na sila sa ano, flowers. Nag-uunahan na sila kanina sa sa mga bulaklak. Ayan. Oh my goodness. Ito, tapos na to. Lagay natin dito. Tapos mga snacks lang naman to. Ayan. Snacks, all snacks. See. Yan. Okay, let's do my mom's grocery. So my mom's grocery, she spent $50. Tingnan natin kung ano yung $50 in Trader Joe's. She got peanut butter and pretzel. 2 almond milk, and the same one, cinnamon raisin bread. Oh wow, I didn't know you like this. Bumili siya nito. This one I think this costs like $2.49. And then she got chicken shumai, tikka masala. These are all frozen. You just microwave them if you're in a hurry. She got this pasta, 2 pasta. Pastas are $1 something. Is it? Let me see. Oh, let's see. I was checking on it. Why I don't see it here? Yung pasta. Nandyan? Oh yeah, $1.49. And then this, okay, this is the good pasta sauce from Trader Joe's. And kapalit nung, yeah, Filipino, if there's no Filipino sauce, that's the, and then pork shumai. Yeah, all in all, she spent $50. Wow! $50? That's, ang dami, no? Ay, $50? Magkano sa Pinas yun? 50? 2.5? 2.5 na to. Parang hindi ako mabubusog dito, ah. Sa Pilipinas. And then, there you go. There you go, guys. So, may pasok ako today. Kaya mo bang ibaba? May pasok ako today, guys. So, kailangan nating matulog. Agad-agad. Agad-agad talaga, eh, no? Ayan. Tikman natin to. Masarap to, eh. Ito, oh. Ito, tikman mo to. Masarap sa tea.
Tikman mo din ang peanut butter.
Ang harap to kasi, hindi siya matamis na matamis. Para siyang meron siyang caramel sa gitna. Tapos waffle. Kaya masarap sa tea kasi parang hindi matamis. Tapos ito. Sorry, medyo matamis. Hindi medyo matamis. Ano ba yan? Parang matamis siya. Pero hindi siya ganun katamis na parang kakadiabetes ka. Di ba? Hindi naman matamis eh. Ang sarap. Ha? Cooking what? Okay, Violet. Okay. Hey guys, thank you for watching. Say bye, baby.
Bye bye.
Thank
I hope
you
you
for-
have a great day.
Aww.